Well, channel partners' response has been very good, certainly in the last 6 months since we've had a full range of our products within the NovoConnect portfolio. So the feedback's been very good. We find that we offer them a great feature set at a reasonable cost, which is, I guess, what everyone wants. And so the feedback's been very good. So yeah, we've been talking about laser. I think we talked quite a lot about laser last year when I spoke to you. We're continuing that trend. The brightness is going up, as always, and particularly in the single chip space, which is the space that we're in. So we'll go up to 20,000 lumens with single chip laser next year. The end users are becoming more and more critical of projection technology, and laser is really what they ask for. So we're seeing trends to higher brightness, and we're seeing lots of requirements in higher education as well. So as the brightness goes up, they become more usable in more environments. And I think 2 or 3 years ago, people were saying, "Oh, we're going to see projectors in 2 or 3 years," and they're very much still here. We're bringing out new models all the time. We're increasing the feature set, and they're still finding their ways into lots of applications. Delta Displays, as the brand is known, has been in the market for a long while now, actually, and they've been specialising more in outdoor LED, like our installation at Chelsea Football Club. And we've moved more in recent years to fine pitch LED, which is where there's a strong market, particularly in the corporate market. And we've got some great products. Delta Electronics is probably the biggest manufacturer of power electronics and circuit boards, which is what LED is really. So we've got some fantastic products, and yeah, we're looking forward to bringing it to the market through Sahara.